Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on OMG. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that OMG has broken out a quite long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price end went very close to the next resistance here. You can see that it broke out this very big falling wedge pattern, went very close to this next long-term resistance of $1.53, but could not hit this resistance. And previously, by the way, this resistance has been breaking as a support here for several weeks or months. And now this time the price end went very close to this resistance, but could not continue this move to the upside, move down. And at the same time, it was also rejected by this very, very massive resistance, the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that we have broken out the lower bands, and now the price end is rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now it is testing the lower bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And at the same time, you can see that again, OMG is oversold as the stochastic has entered the oversold zone on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Synapse, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 1st of March 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing the signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of OMG. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of October 2021, it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you in my so many previous videos that once it will be able to break out this multi-year space resistance of this wedge, then soon we can expect that it can start a very, very massive rally. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice short pump, by the way, from this low when it was testing the support of the wedge here last time here in the month of August 2023 up till this high. It pumped almost 261%, but could not continue this rally to the upside due to this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. At the same time, it was also got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.53 as well. And this resistance of $1.53 had been previously breaking as a very strong support here for several weeks or months. And before that, it had been breaking as a support here and resistance here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break it out. But before that, we will again need to break out these two resistance levels as well. One is here at 75 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And now again, it can work as a resistance. And after that, we will have the next resistance here at $1. That was previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. And again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And at the same time, the price line will also need to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud from where last time we got rejected here in the month of March 2024. And then we will have this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of $1.53. At this time, you can see that after this rejection, the price line is testing the support of lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. If it breaks it down, then it can drop down at this long-term support zone, a key support zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 39.5 cents, almost at 40 cents. That had been previously working as a very strong support zone here, and before that, it had been working as a support zone here as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this very, very massive breakout, that long-term target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.